he said, hey, there's this workshop that you should apply for college, like sophomores and freshmen and juniors. Like you can maybe get an internship, go to this conference. So I applied, I got in, and then I remember this very distinctly because...
What was that? What was that conference or that thing?
It was early insights day to Morgan Stanley. And I remember I had like a big midterm that day. And remember, like, I'm thinking I need a good GPA to get these jobs. So I told him, hey, this early insights day is on this day where I have to take this really tough exam. I might have to skip it. What do you think? He goes, listen, he called, I'm texting him this, and he calls me and goes, Jason, what are you doing right now? I said, just studying. He goes, stop studying. You're going to go to this conference or this early insights day. Because if you don't, you're not going to get a job here. I'm telling you. It is a great opportunity. And I said, I could probably still, network. He goes, no, like you're skipping that exam. I can write a letter for your teacher. You're going to go to this conference. And I said, all right, let's go. And I ended up going. And because of the conference, you got the opportunity to basically apply for different divisions.
Awesome.
And I networked with a bunch of people. And then they had accelerated interview processes during the summer of my sophomore year. Mm-hmm. So I actually interviewed while I was interning and luckily got an offer in fixed income sales and trading division at Morgan Stanley.